Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green mix powder. Creating your own green mix powder at home is a fantastic way to ensure you're getting a powerful dose of nutrients every day. It's a simple process that allows you to control the quality and variety of ingredients, avoiding any artificial fillers or sugars often found in store-bought versions. This homemade blend can significantly support your energy, digestion, and overall health with just a few easy steps. Selecting the right ingredients is crucial for a potent green mix. Start with a foundation of leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or even wheatgrass, which are packed with vitamins. Then, incorporate nutrient-dense vegetables like broccoli, spirulina, or chlorella to boost your mineral intake. For an extra health kick, consider adding powerful herbs and adaptogens like moringa, ashwagandha, or ginseng. Aim for a diverse mix to maximize the nutritional profile of your powder. Once you have your ingredients, proper preparation is key. First, thoroughly wash and completely dry all your fresh produce to prevent mold. Next, you'll need to dehydrate them. A food dehydrator set to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit works wonderfully, taking 6 to 12 hours. If you don't have a dehydrator, your oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar can also do the trick, ensuring all moisture is removed. After dehydration, it's time to create your powder. Grind the completely dried ingredients into a very fine powder using a high-speed blender or a dedicated spice grinder. For storage, transfer your finished green mix into an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dark place. This ensures it stays fresh and potent for up to 3 months. Enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons daily in your favorite smoothie, water, or juice for an easy nutritional boost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.